Hey girls, finishing up your wet feed. Guess what time it is? Time to clean that nasty perch. Y'all gonna get ready to run out to the underneath the tree? Okay, let me get this thing hooked up. Okay, watch them start running. So I'm just gonna soak everything right now. And then go back over it. Okay. I usually just do it like that. I don't get every bit of it off. I'll go around and do the same on all the everything else, and then I'll come back around a second time, and by then this is soaked up really good, and the rest of that comes right off. So I'm gonna get this rest of this squirted down as best I could, and then get ready for my second go around. Okay, that's just after one spray, and I have their porch soaking. I sprayed that one, so that's the first go around. So I'm gonna give it one more spray and finish getting the edges off, and that should do good. Okay, other than everything being soaking wet, I think that turned out pretty good. I've got the steps still cleaned off, all that stuff. I mean, it's not perfect, but that's why I go through it once, let it set for a while I get this other stuff done. And then I got those sprayed off. I got their porch cleaned off. I even pressure washed my sink. So now I just got to get this mess cleaned here, up here. And this will do them for another 30 days other than spot cleaning. So, huh, girls? I know. It's going to rain anyways. I mean, it never gets wet back in here, but they can deal with it. It's still early. I don't know. Maybe 1 o'clock. I don't know. You can come back in now. I'm done. You can come back in now. I didn't pressure wash that out there, but they've not been getting up there. It's been so hot, they don't want to get up here in the sun. This is their main area right here. The picnic perches, which this is good to have because they don't fight for the top one and they don't push each other aside. They're all on an equal level, so they all get along when they're up there. So, and the bantams and stuff walk up the planks to get on the other boards. So, I know, girls. It'll dry, though. It'll be dried out by tomorrow. Might help cool it down in here. It's not bad in here. But, you know, it stays shady underneath here, so. The only thing I got left to do, which I'm going to do that tomorrow, is get all their stuff washed out really good. I refilled them, but I just took a rag and kind of quickly wiped them out. So I'm going to get this put back up. And, sorry girls. Of course it won't look like that tomorrow. That's one of the holes they dug, so whenever it rains or I do this, it puddles there. So I got to get some dirt, buckets of dirt, and bring in here in these holes that they've dug in here. Yeah. Okay, let me finish cleaning up with that precious. Okay, girls, you're on your own. Yep, get up there and start getting it dirty again. Okay. I'm going to take a break, and I can never get my 30-day cleaning done in one day, so it's day 2 tomorrow. I'm hoping to finish, but we got some other things we got to do tomorrow, so we'll see. Just going to end it here. This is all I'm going to do for today. Bernice, get your butt in that water. Walk through it. It'll probably touch your butt, so I don't have to give you a bath again. Okay. Enjoy, girls.